Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best rowing machines in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1, our overall best pick is Sunny Health and Fitness Upright Rowing Machine. If you're really low on space, you may not have room for a traditional rowing machine. But with the Sunny Health and Fitness Upright Rowing Machine, you can get a dynamic workout within a much smaller footprint. The machine boasts a unique upright design. Instead of sitting down and rowing back, you sit upright and row up. This format makes your rowing workouts more focused on the lower body, but you still get opportunities to challenge your upper body and core as well. In lieu of a more traditional resistance mechanism, this rower comes with 3 adjustable resistance bands. Attach these to your machine to increase the intensity of your workouts, reaching a maximum resistance level of 22 pounds. The rower's textured pedals offer plenty of traction, and its non-slip handlebars are easy to grip. Adjust the height of the seat and the handlebars until the machine fits you just right, and take advantage of the fact that the machine folds in half for easy storage between uses. Pros: silent, very small footprint, secure design. Cons: doesn't mimic a traditional rowing experience. Number 2, our second best pick is Stamina Body Trac Glider 1050 Rowing Machine. The Stamina Body Trac Glider 1050 rowing machine is small but mighty and an excellent value. Although it's compact and quiet, this hydraulic resistance rowing machine provides a big workout with a smooth gliding padded seat and separate arms for a full body workout. This means you can row forward or backward, move your arms in circular directions, pull the handles close together for a conventional stroke, or hold the grips apart to exercise different arm, shoulder, and upper back muscles. Because the arms operate independently of each other, you're able to focus a workout on each arm individually. It assembles easily and folds up for storage, as well. The single hydraulic piston cylinder is located under the unit for convenient adjustment with a manual control dial. The machine is able to maintain a variety of consistent levels of resistance for roughly 30 minutes of hard rowing. As with most hydraulic rowers, fluid in the hydraulic piston heats up, which decreases resistance. Always make sure you turn the control dial itself and not the heated piston cylinder. Another downside to hydraulic resistance models is the chance of the piston leaking oil. The Body Trac Glider also has a simple and easy to use monitor, which features more functions than you'd expect on a machine this affordable. Pros: low price, independent arms for a full range of movement, and ease of assembly and folding. Cons: short warranty, 90 days for parts, 1 year for frame. Number 3, our third best pick is Sunny Health and Fitness SFRW 5639 Full Motion Rowing Machine. The Sunny Health and Fitness Full Motion Rowing Machine is a budget-friendly trainer that will give you a great workout without taking up too much space. While many rowing machines are built around a pulley, this one relies on 2 large handlebars. This design puts the emphasis on your upper body. Instead of using your legs primarily to glide forward and back, you use your arms, chest, and back. The machine relies on hydraulic cylinder resistance, which makes it incredibly small space friendly and puts you in control of your workouts. Simply turn the built-in dial to kick the resistance up a notch, and scale it back whenever you need to recover. Pros: great for small spaces, quiet, easy to use. Cons: changing resistance mid-workout isn't seamless. Number 4, our fourth best pick is NordicTrack RW Rower. With its 22 inches HD touchscreen and vast library of outdoor, studio, and Google Maps-based workouts, the NordicTrack RW 900 rowing machine is an excellent choice for beginner, intermediate, and advanced rowers alike. This rowing machine features a 22 inches HD touchscreen on which you can browse and stream outdoor iFit workouts filmed all around the world. It offers a wide variety of studio classes featuring exercises on and off the machine. Classes can be filtered by intensity and duration, offering options for everyone from beginners to advanced rowers. And you get access to Olympic athletes and world-class trainers who can teach you how to row correctly, give you tips to perfect your technique, and motivate you to push harder. The RW900 keeps you engaged and makes working out fun, justifying its price and earning our editor's choice. The RW900 is NordicTrack's top-of-the-line rowing machine. The company also sells the more affordable RW500 and RW200 that have smaller screens, but are powered by the same iFit software you get on the premium model. Pros: large, bright screen. iFit gives you access to a massive library of beginner, intermediate, and advanced workouts. Includes outdoor, studio, and map-based workouts. Automatically adjusts resistance level to match wind and water conditions for outdoor workouts. Quiet. Folds up to save space when not in use. Works with heart rate monitors. Cons: expensive. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is SCHWINN Crewmaster Rower. The electronic display rests on an adjustable console that you can adjust to different heights. This rower uses magnetic resistance and comes with 10 resistance levels. Users like how quiet and easily foldable it is. Looking for a rower with a larger seat? The SCHWINN Crewmaster comes with an extra large seat designed to cushion your backside while you work out. Additionally, it has oversized pedals and a large LCD screen that tracks your distance, workout duration, row count, stroke rate, calories burned, recovery time, and pulse. SCHWINN is a brand of Nautilus, the trusted name in fitness machines and known to many for their weight training equipment. So what can they do with rowing machines? Here's my review of their mid-budget model, the Crewmaster. The resistance mechanism is supplied by magnets around a flywheel, which means it's much quieter than an air rower, but at a cost of not replicating the feel of an oar passing through water. While this makes no odds if you want to get fit or lose weight, if you're used to rowing on Concept 2 machines in a gym, this will feel different. The SCHWINN Crewmaster is a well-made rowing machine that should get you fit and last for several years of trouble-free rowing, but it has nothing that grabs your interest. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.